Starting with Adobe Photoshop. We got GIMP. GIMP is the best free photo editor software. It's not just a free software, it's so strong and capable of doing a huge projects. The interface is a little different from Photoshop, but if you are someone who have been using Photoshop for a while, you will find it easy to use GIMP. One important thing is that GIMP is compatible with Photoshop files PSD. So you can work and share your files with other people easily. Second, we got Illustrator. Inkscape is the alternative for Adobe Illustrator. It's a good app to draw and make graphic with a high quality. You can make all your projects inside this app. Third, we got Adobe InDesign. Scribus is the alternative of InDesign. You can design all your papers, magazines, web pages, and anything you want to design. It's a good free app that will help you in your work. Fourth, we got Adobe Lightroom. Raw Therapy is a very strong software to make color editing. It's capable of doing a lot of strong edits. You can put Raw Therapy in competition with Lightroom. One more is Darktable. It's a strong software to make your photo editing work. Fifth, we got Adobe Premiere. The best free alternative is DaVinci Resolve. DaVinci Resolve is one of the strongest softwares in video editing available. It's not the best video editor. It's the strongest software to work on for color correction and color grading. That's because of the black magic cameras that the company do. Another one is Hit Film Express. It got a lot of effects and options for compositing. One more is OpenShot. It's not that good, and it might seem a little old, but it's there if you want it. If you want, you can watch my video on the best free video editors. Number 6 is Adobe Audition. The best free alternative for Adobe Audition is Audacity. It's a very powerful software to make audio editing. The only difference between it and Audition might be the interface and some preview options. But other than that, you can't find any better audio editing software that is free. One more. It's not an audio editing only. You can use the Fairlight page in DaVinci Resolve. It got a lot of effects and options to edit your audio. That would be better if you want to only work with one app, like editing video and audio at the same app. Last one is Adobe After Effects. There is no alternative for After Effects that can take its place. But if you are not that deep into making animations, you can use the Fusion page in DaVinci Resolve. Yes, DaVinci Resolve can do a lot for you on its own. You can add the same plugins you add to After Effects like Saber and use it easily. One more is Blender. It's a strong software for 3D mainly, but you can use it in 2D and motion graphics and video effects and making cartoon or animations. So that was today's video. Now you are able to save your money and use these free softwares instead, so you don't download any cracks that corrupt your computer. If you found this video helpful, please tell me in the comments. Thank you so much for watching.